Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Yvonne Wema with yet another tutorial. So today we are doing these Afro puff braids and I use the selfie braid by Darling. I ended up using only one pack and as you can see the hair is kind of curly. I ended up cutting the hair into two and for unraveling it I used a conditioner. So keep on watching so that you can get the whole detail about this video. And so I already sectioned my hair and now we're just gonna start braiding, and I'll be using the pick and drop method where I'm just braiding a little bit and then leaving it so that you can create that bun and leave the curls to express itself. So I'll just let you view on how I did the gripping method. I feel like you'll understand it more when you watch it. So that is basically it. That is how I do my braiding. And don't worry when you braid and think that the curls are gonna end. No, this hair is actually so soft, so fluffy. It keeps its curls. Like, I don't know how they did it, but yeah, thumbs up for this selfie braid hair. And I'm just gonna show you how I seal the end so that your braiding can't unravel. And I just pick a small amount of hair and then I'm gonna wrap it and tie a knot. I really hope that you understood. I wrapped and tied a knot. So yeah, keep watching so that you can get the whole detail about this hair. And at the front I did the same thing that I was doing, and I actually braided my hair first because it was kind of hard for me to grip. And one thing I can just say, nowadays there are a lot of different method on how you can start your braiding, and if you feel uncomfortable just beginning your hair or using gel, you can use the crochet method. It's actually so nice. And yeah, so at the front I actually braided and then I added my braid on top, which was kind of easy because I really wanted my hair to have that strong grip. You know, I don't want those loose braiding. Yeah, you get me. Keep watching. So this is what we're having. It's giving curly afro, it's giving, you know, side part, it's giving cutesy. I really wanted to leave it like this, but it was kind of shaggy. I don't know, it wasn't, I felt like my head was light, and so I decided to put it in a bun. But before that I was just spraying some curly moisturizer because we're gonna maintain this hair. You know, when the hair, if you want your hair to last long, you gotta maintain it, you know. Put some curly, put some conditioner, and these curls will really last long. And this was how I was trying out. It actually got the down hairstyle. Was actually giving. You can try that out. And I love this hair. It is actually a cute protective hairstyle and I actually loved it. It was so light and yeah, it really lasted me. And if you don't like the size of the bun, you can crochet the remaining hair and it will just fluff that afro, making it bigger. You know, you just get creative with this hairstyle over and over again. And for now, I'm just trying to create its shape because you know it can be kind of challenging. And I decided to add the remaining hair. Can you imagine there was some remaining hair? So I put some curly at the front. I crochet it as you can see, and you can do this however you want. You can add as many curly hair at the front as many as possible, but make sure you first use some gel so that the curls can be truly visible and not fluffy, or else it can give you kind of awkward look. And this was me. I mean, look at me, it was giving 10 out of 10. I love this hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for my 2,400 subscribers. Thank you for all that you're doing. I really hope that you've learned something in this channel. I really hope that you've learned something in this video and you make sure to try this hairstyle out. And yeah, thank you for anything. Comment below in my comment section, and yeah, bye guys.